Now we will see how to send a single email. So go back to the leads or any object. Click on any of the lead. So enter the subject and just enter the test. This is the body. Here you can enter the information whatever you want. If we want to enter any field, we can enter, like just go there. We can select the field. So depends on the requirement. We can give whatever the field we want, something like that. Or else, so we can choose the template using this. Click on this, then click on insert template. So my templates, or that's the way we can select the templates. Just click on the general one. Click on insert. Now it is ready. So we can send an email to the user from lead record. What I have done? Just click on leads, then go on to this particular user record. Then under the activities, we got an email. I clicked on that. Then after, these values are pre-populated. After that, I taken some email body and selected the particular email template. I'm going to click on send. Now, if you would like to check whether I got an email or not, just go to the email and check it. There you can see. This is the email I got from the org.